Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are delving into a very crucial aspect of legal and constitutional studies, and that is the salient features of the Constitution of Pakistan. So join me in uncovering the salient features of the Constitution of Pakistan that shape the legal landscape of our country. So let's just dive in. Before going towards the salient features of the Constitution of Pakistan, I want you all to be very familiar with what is actually a constitution. So, to define the constitution, we can say that it is a supreme law of the land. The constitution provides the framework for the organization of the state, the relationship between the state and its citizens, and the distribution of powers within the government. So this foundational document, that is the constitution, it outlines the principles and values that guide our nation. So the Constitution of Pakistan contains 280 articles and 7 schedules. Coming towards the salient features of the Constitution of Pakistan now, I have written down them in 10 main points. We are going to study them one by one. So the first one that we have is written document. This means that the Constitution of Pakistan is a written document. Uh, by this I mean that it has been codified and it has been passed by a competent authority, that is the parliament, as a one document. Unlike we know that some other countries that rely on an unwritten or partly written constitution, for example, we have UK. So this written document is a very comprehensive text that encompasses the fundamental principles of governance. Second one is federal structure. So the constitution tells us that Pakistan follows a federal system of government with a clear division of powers between the federal and provincial governments. The third one is Islamic Republic. This means that the Constitution of Pakistan declares our country Pakistan as an Islamic Republic, reflecting the importance of Islam in the national identity. And Article 2 of the Constitution states that Islam is the state religion, while the Article 31 ensures that the principles of Islamic social justice must be followed in the country. The fourth one is parliamentary system. So Pakistan's constitution establishes a parliamentary system of government. The Constitution of Pakistan lays down the structure of the parliament, defining the role of the National Assembly and the Senate, and outlining the process of electing the Prime Minister. And the parliamentary system is basically the system in which the head of government and head of the state are different people. The head of government is usually a Prime Minister, while the head of the state is the President. Fifth one is fundamental rights. So the Constitution of Pakistan guarantees fundamental rights to all of its citizens, and the Article 8 to 28 of the Constitution enumerate these rights. And these rights include the right to life, liberty, equality before the law, and freedom of speech, etc. The sixth one is independence of judiciary. This means that the judiciary in Pakistan is independent and free from any interference. Article 175 to 212 establish the structure and powers of the judiciary, and by this establishing of the structure and proper powers of the judiciary, this ensures its autonomy and authority. The seventh salient feature of the Constitution of Pakistan is Islamic Advisory Council. This means that the Constitution establishes the Council of Islamic Ideology to provide advice on whether laws are in accordance with Islamic principles or not. And Article 228 of the Constitution empowers the Council to play a crucial role in shaping a legislation of country. Eighth one is provincial autonomy. So the Constitution recognizes the autonomy of provinces. It tells us about the powers and functions of provincial governments, promoting decentralization and local governance. The ninth one is protection of minorities. This means that the Constitution of Pakistan guarantees the protection of the rights of religious and ethnic minorities, and Article 36 of the Constitution of Pakistan specifically addresses the freedom to profess religion and the protection of its minorities, ensuring their right to practice and promote their religious and cultural beliefs without any discrimination. The 10th and the final point of the salient feature of the Constitution of Pakistan is amendment procedure. So, the Constitution of Pakistan provides a mechanism for amendments to adapt to the changing needs of society. The Article 238 of the Constitution outlines the procedure for amending the Constitution. By this, it ensures a balance between stability and flexibility. And yeah, that's it for today's lecture. As I wrap up my discussion of talking about the salient features of Pakistan's constitution, I want you all to remember that it is more than just rules. It is what reflects our national beliefs. It mirrors what our country believes in. And these principles set the stage for a fair and democratic society, and it is the foundation for justice also, because these principles lay the groundwork for a fair and democratic society, as I said earlier. So yeah, if you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, this is me, Asima Jawad, signing off. Take care, stay curious, and keep on learning. Allah Hafiz.